Now that the downloads are complete, access the download folder and locate Hosonsoft. Cut and paste it onto the desktop. Right-click on it and unzip the file. If you're unable to unzip it, or if it takes a long time to unzip with the Windows extractor, install 7-zip, which will extract the file much faster. Once you've installed 7-zip, right-click on the Hosonsoft zip file and you'll be able to select the 7-zip option. Hit Extract File. However, in this video, we'll just stick with the Windows zip extractor. Right-click on the unzipped folder and rename it to Prestige XL4. Follow the video instructions and double-click on printexp_x64.exe. If you're encountering an error when opening Hosonsoft, try installing the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable program you downloaded earlier and then restart your computer. This should resolve the issue, and you should see the following screen if successful. As demonstrated in the video, navigate to the last tab, then select the bottom subtab, and choose the first option, which is the only available choice. Ensure your printer is turned on with a status idle and connected to your PC via Ethernet for this to work. If the Ethernet option appears in the drop-down menu, it indicates that your PC has successfully detected the Ethernet connection. If you have multiple Ethernet connection options listed, it indicates that your computer has multiple Ethernet connections available. To determine which one is the correct cable, follow this test. Press the Windows key on your keyboard, type Ethernet settings, and click on it. Then, navigate to Change Adapter Options, where you'll see a list of available Ethernet connections. To identify the one connected to your printer, simply remove the Ethernet cable from the adapter and observe which connection gets disconnected. In this case, since there's only one Ethernet connection, it's the one we'll be using. Once the correct Ethernet connection is identified, return to Hosonsoft, close the Ethernet option, and then reopen it to refresh. Select Ethernet and enter the following IP address: 192.168.127.99. Note that the first three parts of the IP address should match the ones shown at the bottom: 192, 168, 127, but the last two digits must be different from the server IP. In this example, we're using 99, but any number except 10 can be used. After entering the IP address, click the button and wait a few seconds to see if the green lights appear as shown in the video. You should now see two green lights and have access to additional options. Next, click the X button to close this screen. Now, let's change the language to English. Click the second button from the top, navigate to the second tab, and click on the language selection option. From the drop-down menu, select English, and then click the icon to set it. Press OK to confirm. Next, click the X to close the window, then click the Save icon. After that, right-click on the Print Exp icon in the taskbar menu and select Pin to Taskbar to create a shortcut. Close the program and reopen it. Now that Hosonsoft is in English, you can see that the Connect symbol displays a green light, confirming that the connection to the printer has been established. Additionally, click on the light bulb icon and navigate to the Log tab. This is where you can view all error messages, which will be helpful in troubleshooting any issues you may encounter in the future. Go to Settings. You will need to return to this section later to adjust the X margin setting, which depends on how you loaded the film into the printer and may require a specific millimeter measurement. For now, review this video and copy the settings to your own, except for the X margin value. Once you've done so, hit Save. Congratulations, you have successfully installed the Hosonsoft software.